Mission accomplished, Agent Curry. The Clippers organization has been successfully removed from playoff contention. Your precision, range, and control dismantled their operation piece by piece. No survivors, no second chances. Special recognition goes to co-agent Draymond Green. His relentless defense and tactical disruption were instrumental in neutralizing the Klaw. Together, you closed every angle and shut down their most dangerous asset. But your work isn't finished. One final task stands between you and the postseason. The Suns' agency awaits. Prepare accordingly, Agent Curry. I'll be in contact.